In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Remitly to Canada using the new way. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top of the app or website. This part is important because it tells Remitly where you want to send the money. Tap or click that country section, then select Canada from the list. Setting the correct destination first helps make sure the transfer options, delivery methods, and recipient details all match Canadian transfers. After Canada is selected, go ahead and click Send Money. This will begin the transfer process and take you to the section where you can choose who will receive the money. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, the process is very simple. Just click on that existing contact to continue. If the person is not already saved, choose New Contact instead. Then select their country as needed and continue entering the required recipient information in the fields provided. Make sure everything is entered carefully and accurately, since even small mistakes can delay the transfer or cause issues with delivery. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. Take a moment here to review the exchange rate and any fees shown on the screen so you understand the total cost before moving forward. This is a good habit whenever you send an international transfer. After that, select the delivery method. The available options may vary depending on the recipient and the transfer route, so choose the one that best matches how you want the money to be received. Once you've done that, select your payment method. This is the method you'll use to fund the transfer, and Remitly will show you the available choices during this step. When everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details, depending on the delivery method you selected. Fill in the requested information carefully, then follow the prompts shown on your screen to review and complete the transfer. Before you submit, it's always a good idea to double-check the recipient information, transfer amount, and payment details one last time. That extra review can help prevent delays and make sure your money gets to the right place smoothly. Once confirmed, just complete the process and wait for the transfer status update inside your Remitly account. And that's how to send money from Remitly to Canada using the new method.